Hi guys, today I'm showing you and speaking about how I make my art vlogs. What elements I'm using, for example, my cameras and tripod, and also sound recording system. And as you see here, I am doing all the texts by hand because I would like to give this style for my vlogs, and then some animations in the Final Cut Pro. So here you see my recent works with the ink and fountain pen. All these drawings were made on location. I did scan them in a flat scanner, A4 size. So buy, subscribe and comment please. See you in the next video.